you doing?
I'm reading the smartest book in the world because I'm the smartest person in the world.
Oh, can I read it?
Yeah, I guess. This book will help you get smarter, so you'll never be as smart as me.
National Defense Act.
Graven.
James Thomas.
What you doing? I'm reading the smartest book in the world because I'm the smartest person in the world.
No, you're not.
Yes, I'm definitely the smartest.
No, you're not. I am. Now I'll be even smarter than both of you. What's the definition of the word hysterectomy?
What?
It's surgery that takes 870 minutes long. You get your hysteria gland removed, and it's like, awesome. So, if you want to be the smartest person in the world like me,
Or me.
you're going to be smart, way smarter. Please check out your local bookstore or Walmart. If you want to be smart like me.
This book will make you the smartest person in the world.
Like me. Only $20.